a creamy blend of sweet and tangy flavors. This cranberry honey butter is as beautiful as it is delicious. This simple homemade butter instantly adds a festive touch to any table. The cranberries are so vibrant, the butter is perfectly soft, and the honey smells amazing. In a small bowl, add the softened butter. This will make it easier to mix everything together smoothly. Place the cranberries in the chopper and chop them until they're finely minced. We want small pieces, so they blend perfectly into the butter. Then add them to the bowl with the butter, ready to mix everything together. Add the honey into the bowl, letting it drizzle over the butter and cranberries for that sweet, natural flavor. Get your grater, then grate the orange. To get that fragrant orange zest, it will brighten up the whole mixture. Add a pinch of salt, then mix everything well until the butter is smooth and beautifully combined. Look how simple this recipe is. Just a few fresh ingredients and a quick mix, and you've got delicious cranberry honey butter ready to enjoy. Transfer the butter to a ramekin or an airtight container. Keep in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, or freeze for up to 3 months. This cranberry honey butter is perfect for spreading on toast, biscuits, and so much more. Thank you for being with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your cranberry honey butter and happy cooking.